this is a quick demonstration of area between two curves. This is Geometry Sketchpad. Here we go. So a y-coordinate is measured from the x-axis. Excuse me. Ooh, okay. Sorry, I had to sneeze. A y-coordinate is measured from the x-axis. Vertical length is the positive difference between the y-coordinates. So if I take this y top and move it up, let's just make it 4 real quick. Let's see if I can get it exactly 4. Okay, there it goes. And if I take my second y value and move it up to, let's say, 3, then the difference between these is going to be 1. Okay, so let's look at the functions. If I look at these two functions, as I go from -4 to 3, my value of x changes along the way. But if I integrate f of x minus g of x, I'm finding the area between those two curves on the interval from -4 to 3. I take my top function f and subtract my bottom function g, and that's how I'm getting the what I'm trying to integrate. So I'm integrating this x as I go from -4 to 3. All right, let's look at this one. Same thing with the in terms of y. So I'm integrating in terms of y, which means I'm taking my right function f at y and subtracting my g function g at y. And that's going to be this distance. And then I integrate from -2 until 3 because that's my intervals. Okay, so let's look at another one. Here we go. I've got two graphs here. F of x is 5 minus x squared, and that's my top graph. G of x is x minus 1. That's my bottom graph. So if I move, hold on a second. If I move from right to left at the point of intersections, I'm integrating from my intersection of -3 to my intersection here at 2. It gives me an area of 20.833. So what I'm doing is I'm integrating from one point of intersection to the other point of intersection from the top curve minus the bottom curve. I hope that was helpful to see an example. Here, I can do one more. Okay, so here we go. Here's a more complicated one. Here we go. All right, so we're going to go from left to right. See, there's that area. And then look at switches. F is now on top and G is on bottom. Okay, so, It's going very fast. Hold on a second. I'm going to let you go slow. There it goes. I want it to go back. Hold on a second. Let's see if I can make this go back. Oops. It's already finished. Okay, let's try a different one because I can't figure it out. Okay, here we go. So 6 minus x and then 1 over x. So let me show the graphs. Okay, so I've got 6 minus x is the blue line and 1 over x is the tan line. Now let's see which one's on top and which one's on bottom. F of x is on top from that intersection all the way to this intersection. So f of x is on top the whole way. So when I show my answer, we're going to do f of x minus g of x. And as I go and continue and continue and continue, it's going to give me the total area until I get to x. So until I get to my intersection point, my total area is 13.455. Okay, so again, my brown line is on top, my blue line is on the bottom. So when I use my answer, here we go. We're going to do G, top line, minus bottom line, and we're going to integrate from this point of intersection to that point of intersection. Hope that was helpful.